Hi, and thanks for joining us for another video at Cluster Repairs UK. Today we'll be showcasing the spare part touchscreen for the 2013 to 2016 Toyota RAV4 CD Sat Nav display. Over time, with general wear and tear, these units suffer from a few common faults. This ranges from a touchscreen which is erratic or very slow to respond, a touchscreen which has failed completely, or a touchscreen which is heavily scratched or has cracked. Here on test, we can see a unit with a totally unresponsive touchscreen. Cluster Repairs UK have been repairing displays from all makes and models since 1986. We only supply genuine A-grade stock and OEM components sourced from European distributors. Now let's go ahead and test this unit off the repair. As you can see, the unit is working perfectly, fast and responsive. One of the major benefits of purchasing a part from us is access to our detailed trade-level tutorial videos. These videos are made by expert technicians to make your DIY experience as easy as possible. If you would like to know more, please read the detailed description below on the video description. You don't want to buy the part and you just want to have the unit repaired? We're known for our great customer service, so give us a call or drop us an email and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching. Happy repairing, and we'll catch you on the next one.